How to unlink PSN account from Genshin Impact. So if you want to unlink PSN account from Genshin Impact, then watch this video till the end. First thing you want to do is open up your Gmail or any other mailing application. I'll go with Gmail. Then you want to log into your account. Once you've been logged in, tap on the compose button which is on the bottom. Now here, compose an email for the Genshin Impact support team. For that, in the to section, you want to type Genshin_CS@hoyoverse.com. Now once you find the suggestions, tap on it. Now under the subject, you need to go with PSN unlink account, and under compose email, you need to go with I need help. You can also add some details about your PSN or Genshin Impact account. Once the mail has been composed, you want to tap on the paper plane icon which will be in the top right and send the mail. Once the mail has been sent, the customer support is going to contact you after some time and help you with the process. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.